Hey no man, welcome to our reaction to White Lion, and we are going to react to the song Broken Heart. First time single take honest reaction to this song. Let's get started with the music.
Here I stand, all alone, trying to fight the pain from a broken heart. Why she left me, I don't know. It really doesn't matter anymore. I thought that love could last forever, but here I stand, lost and all alone. There is life even after a broken heart. You can't fight the pain from a broken heart. Broken heart. Start a new day, but not alone. I'm gonna break away from this broken heart. I'll meet a woman, I'm gonna take her home, where I'll pick up the pieces, start all over again. I know that life will be much better. I know the sun will shine again. Yeah, baby, I know there is life even after a broken heart. Broken heart, you can't fight the pain from a broken heart. Broken heart. I know that life will be much better. I know the sun will shine again. Yeah, baby, I know. Baby, I know. There is life even after a broken heart. There is life even after a broken heart. Broken heart, you can't fight the pain from a broken heart. Broken heart, oh, there is life even after a broken heart. Oh, you can't fight, yeah, 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 the pain from a broken heart. Broken heart, whoa, oh yeah, my baby.
Broken Heart. There's something about rock music, and that is, there would be about what? Maximum 200 songs that I can say or most people will agree on all of those songs if we sit and make a list of it after listening to so much more, so much I have heard, and I think there must be so much more that is still yet to be done. But I would say about 200 songs, if everything is filtered out from all rock bands of all times and the biggest hits of their time, their years, and everything of the last 60, maximum 70 years of the rock music, and you can have about 200 songs that will be timeless and that will be still heard by people, still enjoyed by people. People can play and yet go crazy over something like music like that. When it comes to all kinds of rock music such as this, it becomes very difficult for you to travel back in that time and try to connect with it, because for me it was rock music, but I'm not getting it anymore.
There are many,
it's
many.
gone.
There are too many songs like this. The guitar solos too. Too many bands, too many artists who have similar guitar solos, similar songs.
Vocals
This
as
topic
well.
is nothing new. Yeah, he's saying there's life after a breakup, after a broken heart. Okay, yeah. Thanks for telling me. Yeah, I never knew it before. So this is nothing new for us. And the outstanding vocals of White Lion that I remember from When the Children Cry was certainly not evident here for some reason. Maybe it was more fast paced, maybe he's just out of sync, maybe he just can't do it for such songs. So the emotional aspect of it was very low for me. I couldn't really connect with it due to it. The guitar solo was really good. That was the highlight for me of the whole song. Otherwise,
Yeah.
everything else I completely agree with Kirti. Nothing new at all. Nothing unique about it.
It's difficult to connect with music. Which,
And,
it's past, and today I don't feel it.
And just to give you a comparison, there are bands such as Metallica, there are bands such as Megadeth. I'm taking a similar category, heavy metal. There are artists, of course, like Billy Joel and Santana, as well as Bryan Adams, and I mean, I could name 50, 60 artists and bands who do make unique music. It's very difficult. Michael Jackson, of course, is the top of the crop. He rules the rooster. He rules the whole thing. The whole show, the whole industry, he has ruled it. No one can even touch him as far as uniqueness goes, from song to song and album to album, and the brilliance of it all. So there's no one like these guys anymore. These guys, ordinary. I mean, what, Twisted Sister, Bon Jovi, how many bands can you name? More or less similar tunes, similar topics. I know it's a little bit harsh for us to sit and say something like that, but we are not here to please you. We are here to give an honest review. You want to be pleased? There are many better places to go, starting with something like a colored area. Go a red light area, any specific place like that. Want to be pleased? Go there.
That's all for this reaction. Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to White Lion, and we are going to react to the song Little Fighter. First time single take honest reaction to the song. Let's get started with the music.
Are you crying tonight?
enjoyed the guitar work in this one. I definitely enjoyed the guitar work. The guitar work was shining, shining, shining. After that, I liked the vocals, the way he was singing. He was into the lyrics, into the emotions, into the mode. And as a live performance, this kind of a song, people, start all that backup that was coming, people start feeling that. So for that reason, it was good. Not a bad song, but not a fabulous or mind blowing as well. It's a good song.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. I don't have anything more to say. I like the guitar solo too. Vocals I enjoyed more in this one. The hook was pretty catchy.
Yeah.
The little fight up a bit. That was good. Yeah, nothing more to say for this song.